If you're experiencing payment failures on Mercury Bank, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your account balance. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Mercury Bank account. Log into your account and verify your balance to confirm that you can cover the payment. Step 2. Verify payment details. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Review transaction limits. Check if you have exceeded any transaction limits set by Mercury Bank. Each account may have daily or monthly limits on the amount you can send or receive. Step 4. Update payment methods. If you're using a linked payment method, ensure that it is up to date. This includes checking the expiration date of cards or the status of any linked accounts. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Mercury Bank's customer support. They can provide specific insights into your account and help resolve any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment failures on Mercury Bank efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.